Here is a beginner-level store manager quiz that covers team leadership and staff management, store operations and daily management, and budgeting and cost control. Let's go. Question 1. What is the primary role of a store manager in staff management? A. Hiring, training, and supervising employees. B. Avoiding employee concerns. C. Focusing only on sales and inventory. And D. Letting employees work without supervision. Answer: hiring, training, and supervising employees. Question 2. Which of the following is essential for motivating store employees? A. Ignoring their achievements. B. Providing incentives and recognition. C. Increasing workload without rewards. And D. Limiting communication. Answer: providing incentives and recognition. Question 3. What is an effective way to handle employee conflicts in a store? A. Avoid addressing the issue. B. Dismiss one of the employees. C. Let employees resolve it themselves. And D. Encourage open communication and mediation. Answer: encourage open communication and mediation. Question 4. Which of these is a good leadership trait for a store manager? A. Micromanaging every task. B. Avoiding employee feedback. C. Delegating tasks and trusting employees. And D. Ignoring staff concerns. Answer: delegating tasks and trusting employees. Question 5. What should a store manager do to ensure employees provide excellent customer service? A. Train employees on customer interaction skills. B. Allow employees to interact with customers without guidance. C. Focus only on sales numbers. And D. Avoid monitoring employee performance. Answer: train employees on customer interaction skills. Question 6. What is the best way to improve team productivity? A. Providing minimal guidance. B. Setting clear expectations and goals. C. Reducing team meetings. And D. Ignoring employee feedback. Answer: setting clear expectations and goals. Question 7. What is an important factor in retaining employees in a store? A. Increasing work hours without rewards. B. Offering no career growth opportunities. C. Creating a positive work environment. And D. Providing limited resources for work. Answer: creating a positive work environment. Question 8. What is the primary responsibility of a store manager in daily operations? A. Working only on financial reports. B. Avoiding customer complaints. C. Ignoring store cleanliness. And D. Ensuring smooth store operations and addressing issues. Answer: ensuring smooth store operations and addressing issues. Question 9. Which of the following helps maintain an organized store? A. Keeping shelves stocked and well arranged. B. Allowing clutter in the store. C. Ignoring stock placement. And D. Avoiding customer feedback. Answer: keeping shelves stocked and well arranged. Question 10. What is an important factor in preventing loss due to theft? A. Leaving cash registers open. B. Implementing security measures and staff training. C. Allowing unsupervised access to stock rooms. And D. Not monitoring store surveillance. Answer: implementing security measures and staff training. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is an essential part of store cleanliness and hygiene? A. Letting employees decide when to clean. B. Ignoring spills and dirt. C. Allowing stockpiles of unsold products. And D. Regular cleaning schedules and inspections. Answer: regular cleaning schedules and inspections. Question 12. What is an effective way to ensure efficient cash handling? A. Not keeping records of transactions. B. Allowing untrained staff to handle cash. C. Implementing strict cash management procedures. And D. Ignoring cash discrepancies. Answer: implementing strict cash management procedures. Question 13. Which of the following helps improve store efficiency? A. Automating processes and using technology. B. Avoiding employee training. C. Ignoring slow-moving products. And D. Not updating store policies. Answer: automating processes and using technology. Question 14. What should a store manager do when a major operational issue arises? A. Ignore it and wait for someone else to handle it. B. Address the problem immediately and find solutions. C. Avoid informing higher management. And D. Dismiss customer concerns related to the issue. Answer: address the problem immediately and find solutions. Question 15. What is the purpose of budgeting in store management? A. To reduce stock purchases completely. B. To increase costs without limits. C. To control expenses and allocate resources efficiently. And D. To ignore financial reports. Answer: to control expenses and allocate resources efficiently. Question 16. How can a store manager reduce operational costs? A. Avoiding negotiations with suppliers. B. Ignoring cost analysis. C. Hiring more employees than needed. And D. Identifying unnecessary expenses and optimizing spending. Answer: identifying unnecessary expenses and optimizing spending. Question 17. Which strategy can help improve store profitability? A. Increasing sales while controlling expenses. B. Ignoring profit margins. C. Reducing customer service quality. And D. Overstocking without sales planning. Answer: increasing sales while controlling expenses. Question 18. What is a key aspect of cost control in store management? A. Spending without tracking costs. B. Monitoring expenses regularly and adjusting budgets. C. Ignoring financial reports. And D. Allowing unapproved purchases. Answer: monitoring expenses regularly and adjusting budgets. Question 19. Why is it important to set a financial goal for a store? A. To ignore financial performance. B. To increase unnecessary expenses. C. To ensure long-term financial stability and growth. And D. To limit revenue generation. Answer: to ensure long-term financial stability and growth. Question 20. What is an effective method to prevent budget overspending? A. Creating a well-planned budget and sticking to it. B. Ignoring financial constraints. C. Allowing employees to make unmonitored purchases. And D. Not tracking store expenses. Answer: creating a well-planned budget and sticking to it. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.